Okay, now we're going to look what to do if we have a coterminal angle that is negative. Well, it's very similar to if it's positive. The only difference is that when we go around the circle, if we go around to like this one here, we're just going in the other direction. So to undo that, instead of subtracting 360, I'm going to add 360. So if we start with negative 1025, if I add 360 to this, that's going to give me negative 665. Then I'm going to add 360 again because I'm not between 0 and 360, and that will give me negative 305. And again, if I start with negative 305, I have to add 360 again, and then I'm going to end up with 55 degrees. So now that number, 55 degrees, is in between 0 and 360. So that's going to be my answer. Same thing with radians. If we start with negative 19 pi over 3 radians, I have to add 2 pi now instead of subtracting it. So to add 2 pi, that's adding 6 pi over 3, which will give me 13 pi over 3, and then and then I have to add 6 pi over 3 again, and that will give me negative 7 pi over 3. So if I have negative 7 pi over 3, I have to add 6 pi over 3 again. So that will give me negative pi over 3. And one more time, I'm going to have to add 6 pi over 3, and that's going to give me 5 pi over 3. So now this is between 0 and 2 pi. So that will be my answer here, 5 pi over 3 radians.